Top 3 Best Shower Radios. Number 3. Sony Splash-Proof Shower Radio. Splash-proof. Enjoy listening to your favorite radio stations while showering. Comes with detachable rubber strap for ease of hanging in the shower. Great sound, loud enough for the shower. Long battery life, approximately 100 hours, and auto power off. 5 preset buttons. Pros. Sharp sound. Almost 100 hours of battery life per charge. Sleek and splash-proof with a removable strap that makes it easy to hang in the shower. Cons. Only 5 preset selections. No weather radio option. Pricey. Bottom line. It's a bit more costly than our best of the best pick, yet it has fewer capabilities and features. We favor the Sangean instead. Number 2. Pyle Splash-Proof Water-Resistant Mini Shower Radio. Perfect for the shower or bathroom. Splash-proof and water-resistant housing. With rotary dial manual tuner. Hang it up, hanging strap design. Built-in high-powered speaker. Adjustable volume control. Lightweight, portable, and powerful. Battery operated for wireless portability. Pros. Compact and basic, yet feature-rich. Lightweight, water-resistant, AM and FM, hanging strap, and more. Crisp sound and clear reception. Cons. Lacks the bells and whistles of other models on our list. However, it offers a lot for its low price. Bottom line. Works like a traditional radio in a waterproof model. A reliable shower radio and a great deal. Number 1. Sangean Waterproof Shower Radio. IPX7 waterproof. AM/FM reception with pigtail antenna. Easy to read LCD display. 2 watts loudspeaker. Bright LED flashlight and emergency buzzer. Runs on 2D cell batteries. Sleep timer. Retractable carrying handle and mounting base. Pros. Compelling feature list. Waterproof. Submersible. 10 preset stations. And more. LED light and alarm in case of weather emergencies. Cons. Relatively large and bulky in size. Bottom line. Surpasses its competitors in almost every way. Versatility, convenience, and solid design. The best available. To buy or check price, click the links in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.